All right, boat's in the water. Let's go weigh the truck and trailer. I've already weighed once. Weighed in at 63.20. That was truck, trailer, no boat. Drove a mile back to my house and a mile back here. I got the boat with me now. We're gonna reweigh and subtract the difference. Pull on the scales here. Push the button, and we'll go get our receipt. See what we weigh. 63.20 on the first weigh in, 75.80 on the second. So we're right at 1,260 pounds. I got to calculate the fuel that's in it. It's got 3 inches of fuel, so I measured the fuel that's in it. I got to measure the tank and all that and figure out how much fuel, how many gallons I got. So I got the 2 batteries. It's ready. It's all set up how it's going to be ran in the race. But so I got to call and see what I can weigh for the classes that I want to run. We're here at Franklin Boat Ramp. We're going to test out Tristan's black boat for drag racing. First time that we've tried. The wind is not in our favor. We're taking it easy. Don't need it pushing it. I just want to see how it comes out of the water. But the wind is blowing straight down the river. Try to put the wind to my back. But we'll just see. We'll just see how rough it is out there. Got a small wheel on. We got a small wheel on. Normally we run high pitch stuff. 28s, 30s, 32s. This one's a lot smaller. So we'll see what she does. We're in the water. Got my goofy GoPro mount on, but hopefully get some good shots. I like using the GoPro, get some good shots, but just look a little goofy. You can tell it's really windy out here. I don't know how my wind noise is going to come out on these videos, but I'm trying. It feels like it's launching straight up in the air. I think doing that's gonna hurt me. when it comes back down, the second bounce is so high like that. I think she did pretty good for the first day, considering how rough it is. You'll see in some of my videos. I took some videos running next to Tristan, just trying to get to where we're going to test at. We ended up testing behind the island. Not ideal. We don't really like to do that, but it was too rough anywhere else. Then there was boats on the backside of the island, so you couldn't even test the whole length of the backside of the island. I didn't want to wake them out or nothing, so we tested the beginning of the island. I was mainly concentrating on how the boat was leaving. Seems like it does pretty good. We'll do it again before the races come up. We got some more work to do, but that's it for this one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. See ya. I'm also going to add in some videos from yesterday. We went to help Mike Hill with the SST 200 class, the F2 class. It's like a circle track. It's pretty crazy stuff. A little different, same stuff, but a little different technology than what we deal with. But it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna add some clips from that. I have a good time doing that every year. They do it once a year in Bradenton. The weather was just as bad yesterday as it was today, so hope you guys enjoy that too.
Okay, boat's on. Is that solenoid pumping? No, not yet. Get to him. How about now? Yep. Yep. All right, now open up throttle doors. Yeah. Okay. Stand eye clear? Yeah. tackle.